Alright, now with all that, we can head back here. Head over to the tavern. That's something for you, darling.
These are what you need, yeah?
Yes, that's... How did you... Oh, thank you. It's time to have some fun. May I?
Go on ahead, darling. Oh, you could just do this all day, darling. Just look at those muscles going. I might need some time off this camera.
Just a little longer.
I'll just keep. No, take your time, darling. I just watch the site all day. Ah. 5 hours later.
The smart chain sword. In the past, I'd wield it, but now it's yours.
Amazing. How can I repay you?
You already have, by rekindling the kiln in my heart. If you ever need anything, I'm here.
Her sword is now the ultimate weapon, dealing double damage.